Hi YouTube, in this video we will be unboxing the SecuX W20 cryptocurrency hardware wallet. The company calls this wallet the ultimate wallet for urban nomads. A little bit of a disclaimer here, the company did send me this wallet for a review, and I'll be completely honest in my review. I've never used the SecuX wallet before, but it does look pretty cool. So we have the seals. That's something that you should all watch out for. Is make sure that the seals are all there on your hardware wallet whenever you get a hardware wallet. Okay. Let's see. Am I smarter than a seal? Got it. Cool. So, well, first of all, we got the seals off. Oh man, this is super cool. Super nice. It's tiny, first of all. Pretty small. It's 1.3 by 8.9 by 5.9 centimeters. And it's actually currently the largest touchscreen on the market. It's a 2.8 inch color touchscreen. So the hardware wallet itself also has a seal, and let's see if we can get that off. Here we go. Cool. So the seal is for the USB, and it's a micro B USB. Yeah, it fits in the palm of my hand. Okay. So, has this velvety pouch. Here's a micro B USB. Here, so we can write down our passphrase and our PIN or passphrase. The full, all the instructions, full setup. And just so you know, this wallet comes with Infineon EAL5 Plus military grade encryption or flash, the chip that's in here. So it stores your PIN and your private key, and your private key, it never leaves the wallet. So it's fully secure. It's military grade encryption, and it's built in, protects your PIN, protects your 24-word seed. And yeah, it's supposed to be a lot easier to navigate than the older wallets that are already out there. And let's see if this turns on without having to charge. Oh, there we go. Welcome. Thanks for choosing SecuX. We will walk you through a few steps to set up the device and protect your valuable crypto assets. Ooh, touchscreen. Create your personal PIN. Please enter 4 to 8 digits. Okay, let's do that. So we entered our PIN, and now it's asking us for a confirmation for that PIN. And choose your device name is the next prompt. I'm not going to name it give it a wallet name. I'm going to give it a scary sounding name, so I'll go with virus. See if it lets you do any special characters. Okay, I'll just do virus exe. Next. Initializing your wallet, setting up a new wallet, or recovering from an existing. So we're doing a new wallet. Important notice, this device will generate 24 words for your SecuX. Write down your 24 recovery words in the correct order on the recovery sheets. Which, here we go. Here's the recovery sheet. So as you can see, 24. So you can write your recovery seed phrase in order, and we will hit continue. It's giving us a list of recovery words, and all we have to do is write all these words down. SecuX also sent me the SecuX X Seed Plus. This is recovery seed phrase cold storage. So you would take your 24 words, and instead of writing them down on a piece of paper, you would put them on these stainless steel backup plates. So they're pretty much indestructible. It's cold storage. I will be making another video to review or to do an unboxing for these. These are so cool. I've actually wanted a seed bank before. So pretty much you can etch or hammer on your seed phrase onto the metal plates, and then you can store them in a safe or put them in a secret hiding place. And like I said, they're indestructible, you know, pretty much fireproof, waterproof. So once you've written down your your recovery words, your 24 recovery words, it will ask you to confirm your recovery word, the first one on there. So that was that recovery. So I believe it's going to the whole list of the 24 words. So you just select the word. So now word 2. So it had me input all the recovery words. So congrats, the device is now set up successfully. Click next to go to the account portfolio. I'll let you guys know, let you folks know that the touchscreen on this, it's super sweet. It's very responsive. There's no haptic. It's not like some of the iPhones where you can feel it when you click, but it's super smooth. So here we get to the account portfolio. You have not added any accounts. Please visit SecuX official website and go to our online user guide, how it works, for further instructions. I believe here all we have to do is scan with our phone and it'll take you to the web page. We can actually go into the settings menu, and from here we can click on reset. Reset will let you reset to factory settings. So pretty much it'll reset the PIN code, the recovery words, and your private key. You can create a hidden wallet. You can change the name of your device. You can select the number of recovery words that you would like, if you only want 18 or 12. And we can select Bluetooth on here for Bluetooth connectivity. And now the Bluetooth is on, and it turned on really fast. I'm actually filming this on my phone, so I'm not going to test a Bluetooth this moment. We can hardwire it. The SecuX hardware wallet weighs 62 grams, but it does feel solid. It supports over 1,000 coins, so over 1,000 cryptos. Let's I can hardwire it into the laptop. We have the option to connect via Bluetooth or through USB. So it seems that if you want the Bluetooth connectivity within to your iPhone or to your laptop, you have to download. For me, I tried connecting through my laptop, but what I had to do personally was download the app onto my iPhone. Once you download the app, you sign up, and then it'll make you do a firmware upgrade. And yeah, you just go through the setup. It's simple. And once I did the setup for the app on my phone, I am now able to connect to the Bluetooth. Connect through Bluetooth. I tried connecting before doing the update on the app itself, and it wasn't letting me. So yeah, let's try and see. Let's click on connect via Bluetooth, which is this button here on the right. Let's see, Bluetooth. Oh, I just want to say, before it was giving you the one-time password on the bottom, so it'll give you that, and that's how you would connect via Bluetooth. Okay, let's see, Google Chrome. There we go. So I was using Brave browser, it wasn't letting me. Now it's asking me, it wants to pair virus.exe. I selected it, I hit pair, and yep, there's the one-time password verification. So okay, let's hit send, and here we go. Welcome, select a cryptocurrency from the left sidebar to start, and all ERC20 tokens, TRC10, TRC20, BSC, and ADA. Lets you know SecuX server does not store your coins. It doesn't charge any additional transaction fees. It doesn't collect or store user data. Click continue. And yeah, here we are on the dashboard. That was painless. And yeah, we have, I guess, Cardano. I don't know if you folks can see, but Cardano is new on here, Binance Smart Chain. And yeah, it's great. I mean, I have it connected through USB, but it's not. It's actually connected through Bluetooth. So the Bluetooth is working flawlessly. So obviously the USB will be, you know, just as smooth. You can click on any of the coins on the left. So let's click on whatever Ethereum, loading account from blockchain, so you can add any Ethereum account. As you're watching or listening to this review, I do want to let you know that I have used the Trezor and the Ledger wallet, so I do have experience with the hardware wallets, and yeah, I can't find any fault on this one so far. Thank you all so much for watching. This was my unboxing of the SecuX W20 cryptocurrency hardware wallet. It's what the company calls the ultimate wallet for urban nomads. It's super light, 60 grams. It's super compact. This company, SecuX, they also created the world's first NFT hardware wallet. I did not get one of those to review, but that would have been pretty cool. Anyhow, I totally do recommend this wallet. I don't see, there's nothing that was really wonky or weird. So yeah, it's pretty cool, super easy to use, super easy to set up. Just follow the prompt screens. And yeah, it's an awesome little wallet. If you could, please click a thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, stay tuned for the next video, which will be on the recovery seed phrase cold storage, which is the metal plates that we can use to store our seed phrase. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a great one.